Hello students, today we are going to discuss some remaining questions of sets. So in previous video we have cleared what is the sets, what are the type of sets, how can we represent the sets. So we have already cleared all the things. Now we are on exercise, miscellaneous exercise, so we are going to solve some questions. In previous video we have solved the question 6 or 7. So now we are going to solve some next questions. What are the next questions of question number 7? I think we are on question number 7, so it's not a problem. If question is if a equal 2468, 2468 and b equal 1478, what is the a minus b? What is the a minus b and b minus a? It is a question. And how can we solve this question? So it is very easy to find. Always remember that when we are going to find a minus b, we can say that a minus b, so it is a means 2, 4, 6, 8 and the value of b is 1, 4, 7, 8. Always remember that when we are going to find a minus b, always it is true that we have to find when we are going to find a minus b, we have to remember that elements are from A and remaining part and common elements will be removed. 4, 8 is here, 4, 8 is here. So the A minus B is 2 and 6 because 4, 8 is the common area of this. So 4, 8 removed, A minus B is 2, 6. It is your answer. Now what is the B minus A? B minus A means B means 1, 4, 7, 8 and A means 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the common? What is the common between them? 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what is the remaining part in B? When we are going to find B minus A, always remember that we have to use the elements of B. So elements of B is 1, 7. So students, this is your answer. Okay, now we are on question number 8. What is the question number 8? Okay, so question number 8 is very interesting. Before solving the questions of sets, you have to remember that we have to solve and we have to use the theories. You have to learn the theories very well. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? A minus B, A intersection B equal 5, A equal 5 and B equal 5. A equal 5 and B equal 5. The first, this second. A minus B equal 5 implies A intersection B. Third one is A union B is 5 and implies A intersection B. Or 4 is none of these. So what is the answer? So we have to think about it. A intersection B is 5. Suppose A intersection B is 5. So there is not any element in A and B. So we can say that A is 5, B is 5. So if A is 5, B is 5, so we can say that A intersection B is also 5. So your answer is this. A equal 5 means there is not any element in A, there is not any element in B. So we can say A intersection B is also 5. So it is a correct answer. So your answer is A. So it is completed. Now we are on next question, that is question number 9. Okay, question number 9. is question number 9 is, if A intersection B equal phi, then number 1 A minus B equal phi, A union B equal phi, A minus B equal A minus B equal B. So what is the answer? This is the first, this is A, B, C and D. What option is the correct? Okay, you have to think what option is the correct. If A intersection B is phi, then A intersection B is phi, then it is not necessary that A minus B is phi. Okay, but it is necessary. Suppose I am saying that A intersection B is phi, means there is not any common element in phi. But look at here, just suppose A equal 2, 3, 4 and B equal 5 and 6. There is A intersection B is phi, because there is not any common element, so intersection B is phi. But A minus B is phi. A minus B means A means 2, 3, 4. So it is A minus B is A means it is A. So we can say that A minus B is phi is wrong answer. So what is the A minus B equal A? So it is correct answer. Okay, so now we are on next question. Okay, is it possible that A minus B equal B, A union B equal phi? A union B is not equal to phi. When we find A union B, we can say that it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is not correct answer. A minus B equal B, it is not possible because B is not possible. So it is, answer is B. Now what is the next question? We are on next question, that is question number 10. Question number 10 is shaded position of the following. Shaded portion of the following when Venn diagram represents by this way, it is A and it is B. So it is a question is like this. Okay, so how can we solve this question? What is the answer? Answers are number 1 A union B, number 2 A intersection B, number 3 A minus B, and D मतलब number 4 is B minus A. So what is the answer, students? It is very easy to find. Just do yourself before me, and we are going to solve this question. Okay, so what is the answer? How can we solve this question? It is okay, so question is A union B. We have to find A union B. When we are going to find A union B, always remember that when we are using A and B, A union B means means all the elements of A and B are included. So this is A union B. Is it like this? No. So it is not the answer. Okay, now A intersection B. When we are saying about there are two sets and they are overlapping to each other. So what is the A intersection B? When we are saying about the A intersection B, this middle part means common of A and B, means middle part is included in this. Okay, so your answer is A intersection B, it here. So we can say that it is not like this, so it is not correct. Now a minus b, when we are going to find a minus b, means elements are from a and not from b, and common elements are removed. So your answer is like this. Is it like this? Oh, it is same. So we can say that it is your answer. What about the b minus a? When we are saying about the b minus a, we can say that b minus a means elements are from b and common elements are removed. So it is b minus a, it is a minus b. So is it b minus a? No. So it is also a wrong answer. So your answer is 3, means C. Okay, so your answer is a minus b. So I think you understand better. Okay, now question is question number 11, and question number 11 is, if a equal 1 2 3 4 5 6, b equal 2 4 6 8, then a minus b, then a minus b will be, answer is 1 3 5 8. One three five. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, and last one is D is none, means 5. So your answers is a 1 3 5 8, 1 3 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, and null. So what is the value, and how can we solve this question? Is it very easy? Students, it is very easy to find a minus b, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus b means 2 4 6 8. Always remember that when we are going to find a minus b, elements are always from a, not from b. Okay, and common elements, those are common in a and b, are also removed. So what is the common? 4 is common, 2 is common, 6 is common. So 8 is the b, 8 is in b, so we have not used b. 8 2 4 6 we have to remove. So a minus b is 1 3 5, 1 3 5. So is it any answer? A minus b equal 1 3 5. It is your second question. So your answer is B. Okay, so this is question number, this was a question number, this was a question number 11. Now we are on question number 12. What is the question number 12? Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 6 are disjoint sets. A 2 3 4 6, 2 3 4 5 and 3 6 are disjoint. This is A. What is the B? B is A E I O U and A B C D are disjoint. Okay, all questions are related to this joint. Next is 2, 6, 10, 14 and 7, 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint. Next one is a D. 2, 7, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint. So students, what is the answer? What is the A, B, C, D? What is the option? What option is correct? Now we are going to operation. We are going to operate. Okay, what is the disjoint sets? When we are saying about the disjoint sets, always remember that there is not any common element in between them. So is it any common elements between 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6? 3 is here and 3 is here, so we can say that this is not disjoint sets. Okay, so your answer is not A. Okay, so your answer is not A. Now A, E, I, O, U, A is here, A is here, so we can say that A is the common part, so it is not your answer. Now 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. A is it, 2 is not here, 6 is not here, 10 is not here, and 14 is not here. So we can say that this is disjoint sets. Now 2, 7, 10, it is 7 and it is 7, so it is not your answer. So your answer is C. So your answer is C. C answer is correct. Now we are going